my gosh! What's up, everybody? My name is Scott, and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics. This is the 950 JDJ Fat Mac. This is a bench rest gun. It was not meant to be picked up and fired. It was meant to be fired off of a bench, and that's because it weighs 50 pounds. And this is the 950 JDJ. And is going to be producing 25,000 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 poopers. It's ready to fire. So we slip that in right there. Wow! Wow! I'm pretty sure we destroyed all 5. Oh! Oh! There's the bullet! Yeah! It's got like a line across it or something scraped it. Let's do that at least one more time.